feed me beats. I created a monster. I don't trust niggas like Lil Reese. You fuck niggas ain't cool to me. Your side of town where you better be. My young niggas might hit you up if they don't know your face. I'm like, who is he? I do this shit for my nigga streets.
I'm back again and again and again. Wolf Gray, man. Jordan 3s. A lot of people didn't like this part. The silver looking stuff in it. But I like it. I think that's what set it off. And it's actually soft. Like usually the print actually got feeling, but this is soft. You see it got that beautiful tumble. We already know that. The Jordan 3s, they keep that tumble. They keep that tumble with that smoothness right there. Yeah. Gray air bubble. You know, you got that translucent gray bottom. That gray Jordan on the back. Gray Jordan on the back to match. Gray Jordan in the front. Tongue soft. Cheap too. Y'all heard that from me. It's alright. It's soft. You see that? But anyway, I think I need to get some wax shoestrings for these. They will look better. But yeah, Wolf Gray, man. Jordan 3s. We ain't gonna get all too much up into these. We know what these do. Oh yeah, they quit making the 3s. Price might have went up on them 3s. I ain't have too many, let me see, imperfections on that thing. Pretty clean cut. That tumble on there, killing them. Killing them. I seen a dude do a custom on these. He turned them black stilt or something like that, he called them. I might get the picture or something for y'all if I can find it. But they was very dope. I would do me a custom like that. I probably wouldn't custom these, but I would buy a pair to custom. But yeah, Jordan 3s, man. Y'all know this was the dunk contest shoe. 88. Dominique Wilkins, man. Y'all know that. Y'all don't know that, go watch them videos. I try to teach y'all that. Jordan 3s, man. Wolf Gray. Got that leather back there too. Tab. You know, these authentic, man. I ain't got to do all that, man. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all this. It's a gray jump man in there. He gray or white. I think he gray. He look a little gray with the translucent to him. As far as sparkles looking. Their print is nice too. Lined up pretty good. Too much out the factory fucked up. Pretty good shoe. Jordan 3. Translucent bottom. Get at me.